guys, it is crazy windy out here. I don't know if you can hear that wind. You can see the sand blowing, you can see the water flying off the waves. We got a nice surface find. We got some socks here. I might leave those. But yeah, we're here right at low tide. We'll work our way up the tide, and yeah, the beach looks all right. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, we got our first signal after a little while, and you can't hear it today because I have my headphones on. Because we need it today because this wind is nuts. I don't know if you can hear it or not. But yeah, this is like a 5 right here. So nice little low tone to start. So if it is a ring, it's probably a really thin one. And that ring I showed you guys in the last time, yeah, I don't know if you guys hear, maybe this way you can hear better. That ring I showed you in the last hunt that David had, it was 3 rings welded together. It rang up as a 15. A ring as a 15 on the MInelab is absolutely insane. And yeah, just a little piece of trash to start today, a little aluminum foil. Just got part of somebody's glasses. Rang up like a 3, 4. So it sounded good. Got another surface find. A chunk of carat. Not 14 carat either. 1 carat. Heard it before I saw it, but it is a surface find. And how that little thing's not blowing away in this is beyond me. This is gnarly out here. I think we have a coin spill, folks. We have a 29 quarter there and a 20 penny there. I think it's just a little dry sand. There's our quarter. I think that's an attempted penny. We'll take it. We have a solid 19 and probably another penny. Wow, a pull tab ringing up as a 20. It's like something from a sci-fi movie. I was just talking to David, and he said he found a surface quarter, and now I just found a surface quarter. So the sand is definitely moving around pretty good, but there's not a ton of finds. He did just find a very nice looking silver ring not long ago, but yeah, the finds are few and far between. I don't know if you can see it. It wants to be a solid 25, but then it jumps to like 30. So I think it's gonna be a dime, but I don't know. It's never good when it sounds worse after scooping. Oh, there it goes. Sounds good now. 23, 24. Copper penny, I think. Oh no, it is a dime. Very thin. Alright, yeah, we just need a nickel now. We got a low tone here. It's really jumpy though. It's like 6 to 12. Oh, oh, oh. Looks like we have a little earring. It doesn't look real, but let's hope. Oh yeah, no, that's about as fake as Pamela Anderson's breastises. But jewelry is, yeah, I'm never gonna scoff at finding some jewelry, so. And right next to our earring, right there is a 17. Maybe it was a jewelry party. That is not jewelry, so no jewelry party. I actually have no clue what that is. It almost looks like it could be silver though. I'm thinking not though. Alright, it's like a 2123, pretty good repeater. We're up in the dry though, so we're kind of getting into beer can territory. They don't usually repeat like that. Well, now there's a 12-13 repeater, so maybe we're on a coin spill with a nickel and a penny. Wouldn't that be nice? Whoa, whoa, whoa! There's a fresh quarter. I didn't even hear that down there. Yeah, that did not sound like a quarter down there. But yeah, that's like a fresh drop too. But I'm wondering if there's more. Yeah, there's a 13, so there's a nickel down here too. And yeah, there's a 20 here, so that should be a penny. You almost got the cycle in one hole here. So this should be our penny. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah, this is all fresh coinage. Quite spendable. And nickel. Right here. I'll let you know if there's any more in there. Oh man, this is intense. We're going into the wind, getting sand in the face and the mouth. And yeah, I could make a show called Extreme Metal Detecting. And it'd be just me and David. We're the only ones dumb enough to be out here right now. But yeah, we're heading back. We got some coins. We got to see some socks. Well, I might have one more signal here first. But yeah, not a bad day. David got a silver ring. I got $1 in coins. I think we got the cycle. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got the cycle. So yeah, not a bad day. Fake jewelry. Yeah, it's like there's iron in it, whatever it is. I'll take one more dig. It's like an 1820 with some iron too. Yeah, sounds worse. Got a nice height down. It's 26.27. It's a little higher than a dime usually is, but I mean that's got to be my guess right now. Oh no! I saw it floating. Oh, check it out. It's a ring. And the wave almost took it away. We got a silver ring, folks. Well, I assume it's silver. It looks like it. So yeah, wow. Real jewelry today. Alright, here's a little wrap up. We got a piece of glasses, pull tab, foil, bottle cap. There might have been a little more trash that I don't have here. We got our coins, 3 quarters, 1 dime, 1 nickel, 1 penny, 2 if you include that. A nice little piece of sea glass I got for Ingrid. It's really just a broken Heineken bottle, but don't tell her that. She likes them. This earring, which I did the scratch test, and it kind of held up to 10 karat, but I think I'm assuming it's just a nice thick plating, because you can see it's kind of changing colors a little bit. The question is, what's under that plating? Is it silver or copper? But it didn't really hold up to silver, so weird. It's like copper coated in 10 karat, I think, which is weird. And then we have our silver ring, which it looks pretty undamaged, so I think we're gonna be able to clean that one up. And yeah, it looks like it'll probably fit Ingrid's like middle finger, so she'll probably like this one. It's pretty light, but silver is silver and a ring's a ring. And we're going tomorrow to photograph a wedding together, and I'm gonna bring my GoPro, and we're gonna do a little video of that to put on my website so people can see a day in the life of us as wedding photographers. And I'll also post it on YouTube because we're taking the video anyway, so why not? Yeah, anyways, not a bad hunt. We'll take it. It's good always good to find silver. Oh, you know what? There's another piece of silver, I think. Let me see if I can go find it. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this little piece, I forgot what it rang up as, but I'm pretty sure this little piece is silver too. Not that there's much we can do with it, because it's broken, whatever it is, but, and it's light, but it's still silver. Anyways, yeah, till next time, which might be a photography video, which if you want to check out, I hope it's an alright video, so yeah, check it out if you want. Bye.